Friends, if you want to add multiple stoppages while using Google Map, open Google Map on your mobile phone. Now here first you need to enter the destination. Now here your location is the starting point, and I have entered one location to visit. So to add multiple location, I need to press on these three dots. Now here I need to press on edit stops. Now I need to enter the second location where I need to stop. Now here I can add more locations. So friends, like this you can add locations where you want to stop and make a route on Google Map. From here you can also shift the place, like if I want to visit Koralbagh on second number, then I need to press on this two lines and drag it on the upper side. Now it will change the sequence. Now from here I will visit Koralbagh, then I will visit Narayana. So like this you can change the route. Now after making the route, press on done. Now here it will show the estimated time and total distance. Now press on start. So friends, like this you can very easily make a route on Google Map. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.